This is the Komplete Audio 6. I've been wanting to get an audio interface for a long time now, and I finally decided to bite the bullet and go ahead and buy myself a USB audio interface. Let's open her up and see what we've got. All right. First off, we have a nice little packaged envelope here in the front. Open that up and you have a couple of stickers and the setup instruction manual, safety instructions, all of that good stuff. Then right here we have a USB cable. I love these things. Look at that. Nice thick little guy. Then we have the interface itself. Look at this box. So nice. This audio interface had some really good reviews. That's why I went with it over like a Focusrite or something like that. $200, at least around the Christmas season. Has a metal body, aluminum metal, I don't know what that is. Has a nice NI logos on the ends. So let's go across the front of this. We've got on the left, we have two combo inputs. It's a 1/4 inch or XLR combos. And you have a line and instrument toggle here, as well as your gain knob for both of them right there. Then we have this little monitor section. You can turn it on or off with this little toggle, and mono or stereo, and then you have the volume knob right here. And then we've got the volume, kind of the headphone right here. We can have it be outputs 1 and 2 or 3 and 4, and then the volume. And then up on the top here we have LED indicators of the inputs, the outputs, the MIDI, whether your phantom power is on or not, your monitors, etc. And this big knob right here in the middle for your outputs 1 and 2. So if we move over to the back, your outputs left and right, your 1 and 2 are right there. And then we also have 3 and 4. Those are both all balanced outputs. And then we have the balanced inputs. All the inputs and outputs are balanced on this, by the way. 3 and 4 here. So you have 1 and 2 on the front, 3 and 4 on the back, and then you also have the RCA inputs. So you have another 5 and 6 right there. And then we have MIDI in out, which is kind of cool. You have the USB, which powers it, and then your phantom power toggle right there. That's pretty much it. I'm excited to try this out. I'll do another video of getting it set up on the computer. I don't have time to do that right now, so I just wanted to open it, take a look at it, and there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video, and let me know if you have any questions about this. As I start to dig into it, I'll be able to answer those questions. So hit me up in the comments below, and as always, we'll talk to you later.